Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. Today I'm going to be digging up the lily bulb from this border. So, yeah, first got here. I think we've got one. Yep, as you can see, with the warm weather just started growing. I'm digging them up so I can just take some of these scales off and get some new free lilies out of it. So I'll just show you, 2 seconds. These are the ones I dug up earlier. As you can see, a little bit bigger. Wow. No wonder they call them tree lily bulbs. Absolutely humongous. So I'm going to be going inside and taking some scales off these. And then after that, replanting them. Ladies and gentlemen, today I've been to my garden and I've dug up these lily bulbs. As you can see, they're absolutely humongous. These were not even a third of the size when I planted them. They've been in the ground about 4 years. And what I'm going to try this year is taking some scales off it. It's basically a way of taking cuttings. It takes 2 or 3 years from start flowering, so it is a long process, but all you need to do is get a freezer bag like so, get your lily bulb, pull back a scale and try and get it so it's got a bit of the basal plate at the bottom, like so. A bulb this size you can take I would say at least 6 or 7, like so. Some on this side, and once you've taken these off, let's try this one. That's nice satisfying crunch. That one there. Once I'm taking them off, I'm just going to rinse them because I want to make sure there's no foreign bodies like slugs or snails or anything that could damage them once in the plastic bag. It's really as easy as that. These are tree lilies. These grow 5 to 6 feet high and each stem has at least 20 flowers on. So once they've been rinsed off, into the bag, give them a good shake up, seal the bag, put it somewhere warm but not too hot and dark, and within 2 to 3 months you should have little bulblets at the base, just at the base there. So let's see, I'll get back to you and tell you how I get on. So any questions, don't hesitate to ask. If you like my videos, please give me a thumbs up and please subscribe. Thank you. Bye.